Good morning, everybody. Today I'm doing a special menu for two reasons. One is I got a text. He asked me to cook for him hot chicken. So I'll read it for you. Your dish always tastes good. Each time I try making after watching your channel, could you show how to cook hot chicken with rice? That is one of the reasons I'm gonna do this video. So the other reason is it's African Days. I'm celebrating African Days. This is the chicken I'm gonna cook. You say cook with the rice? Yeah, that's the rice. Cool. Guys, cook with me. Alright. So the first thing we gotta do is we need to cut the chicken, okay? I'm gonna cut the chicken. I'm doing African way, alright? That's how you cut. Okay, guys. Then you break it. Yeah, and you take from the joint, cut it off. See, you can see how easy I can carry that. Yeah. There you go. And then you come at the back. I'm doing African way. Yeah. Carry there. And at the back, you carry there. And then easily, what you do, you just separate it. Voila, look at that, guys. How easy is that? So easy. That's how you cut your chicken. Yeah, so I'm doing all African style. Alright, guys, so I finished cutting the chicken. So what I will do is I'm gonna fry the onion. So first, we add some oil. Yeah, so that is olive oil. I'll make sure it's enough to fry the onion. Alright? Yeah. Cool. Put that away. Yeah. So I'll cut 2 onions. Okay? Yeah. And then I'll fry that one. Yeah. And that one I'm gonna blend it as well. Yeah. So for now, let's fry 2. And then we cook the chicken. Yeah. Alright, guys, it's time to add the hot chicken in. Okay, so I already washed that. I have to add it in there. Yeah, we're still frying it, so I'm gonna add all of them. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. We'll leave it to cook for a while and then we'll add some spices, okay? Cool. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for clicking into my channel. In case you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and give a thumb up as well. So Africa is about all celebrating. Wow, we are celebrating African Days, guys. It's about all dance, eating, laugh. Alright, guys, it's time to add in the spices. I'm putting a paprika sweet. Gotta put 1 tablespoon. Yeah, add in there. And I'm gonna add cinnamon powder. 1 full tablespoon. Yeah. And I'll add a salt. Yeah. And then mix. Yeah. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Yeah. So this is hot chicken, guys. And you can call it kienyeji chicken. Yeah. Yeah. It's a hot chicken. So that's how you. So I'm gonna blend the capsicum, the onion, and the tomato. Yeah, and that's gonna go in there. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna blend that. Nice. Cool, guys. There you go, guys. Look how beautiful is the sauce. Very nice. Very rich. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the hot chicken. Guys, look at the soup. Nice. Very nice. Alright guys, as you can see, our hot chicken is cooking, and it's looking amazing. So it's almost there. It's hot, guys. Look at that, the bubbling. Yeah, so we're gonna cook rice. So this rice, I'll put a little bit of salt, not much. Yeah, you just put a little bit of salt, okay? And then I'll cook with the green peas, okay? So I'll pour it there as well. I'll mix with it. Yeah, I'll get a spoon. Yeah, or fork, and then I'll mix it, okay? So that's gonna be colorful. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's amazing. And then I'm gonna pour hot water, and then I'll put on the cook, okay? Yeah, so I don't need a measurement. Yeah, guys, I can see how much water the rice needs, so I'll put it there. And we turn it on, guys, and then we cook, okay? Yeah, so it's amazing. Look at that, guys. It's cooking really good. I didn't add water at the moment. Look at the sauce. It's so rich. Yeah? Yeah. Let me get a spoon and I'll show you. Yeah, guys. Look at the sauce. It's hot and it's so rich. Yeah. So that's amazing. Yeah. Look at that. I didn't add water at the moment. Yeah. Yeah. It's so nice. Yeah. Cool. It's hot. Yeah. It's boiling. Yeah. So what I will do is after when it's cooked, I'll add the veggies in there as well. Yeah? Yeah. So it's all about celebrating, guys. So colorful and so good. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's so amazing. And I thank you, sister, for giving me this. Alright, guys. So look how beautiful our hot chicken is cooking. So it's amazing. Look at that. Yeah, it's almost done. And it's so good. Yeah. So we give some minutes and then it will be ready. Yeah, so that's the rice. Yeah. Alright guys, welcome. And our hot chicken and rice is ready now. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, the chicken is all cooked and it's soft and tender. Look at that. It's all cooked. Brilliant. It's all ready now. Okay? Yeah. And then the rice is ready too. Yeah. So star, love, and then round. Yeah? How amazing is that, guys? So I will go ahead and serve it. So brilliant. Yeah. So it's all good. It's so amazing. And then you sprinkle and dazzle with the spring onion. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Yeah. So good. Is that not amazing, guys? So it's all good. It's all cooked. This is a hot chicken with rice and veggies. Yeah. So guys, thank you very much, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video.